Hey, so I work remotely sometimes and my laptop doesn't fit any of these bags. This one's too small, this one's too open, and this one's too flimsy.
But what if you didn't need a laptop? Why don't you take the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus for a spin? Try it out.
I guess I'll be trying the Tab S10 to see if it can replace my laptop. So, a day in a life as a producer. I need to find out if the Tab S10 Plus can help me with project management, script writing and researching, conducting interviews online, presenting, and video editing. So, let's jump into it. First things first, my setup. I need something portable, so something light is super ideal. The Galaxy Tab S10 Plus comes with the S Pen by default, and getting the cover means getting the keyboard too. Chuck in a set of earbuds and I'm pretty much good to go. I'm literally the gatekeeper of our two project management platforms, Google Calendar and Trello, so I really need to be able to access them easily and make quick changes. With a 5G network, everything's so efficient. When I'm busy, I can voice record meetings on the Notes app, then transcribe and share quick updates with just a few taps. Storyboarding is really easy when there's sketch to image. I mean, look, I could do a quick sketch or trace from another image and it'll generate something incredible. On tough days, I use the Notes app's compose feature to quickly generate scripts. I just type a prompt, choose a style, and it gives me a great starting point, saving me time and effort. And one of my favorite features for when I'm researching is the circle tool for searching or translating. Let's say I'm looking for something specific, like a camera rig. I just draw a circle around the image and it finds it for me. It's also amazing at translating for text, especially when I'm researching in another language. Super handy. I was initially worried about the workflow, but the split screen functionality made multitasking between two apps super seamless. Plus, when I'm tired of typing, I can switch to using the S Pen, which makes it easy to jot down ideas, highlight research material, and sketch out storyboards when I need to. And since there's PDF annotation, I don't need additional software to mark up documents directly on the screen. Once I'm done with my script, I can easily project it to a screen that works as my teleprompter, or I could put it next to me and it's low-key and it won't get in the way. It has a long battery life, so it stays on during lengthy recordings. Since there's no shortage of meetings to attend and interviews to record, I really appreciate the mic and camera that genuinely provides great image and sound quality. The inbuilt noise cancellation also does a great job of not letting my boss know where I'm really working. Now, when it comes to the editing, the Tab S10 Plus packs enough processing power to handle most editing tasks. And the display looks incredible with precise color grading and sharp details. But since I only edit social media videos using apps like CapCut, no lag, fast rendering, and speedy exports. The Tab's processor even handles 4K really well. So if you're a heavy editor, you can also transform your tablet into a desktop-like interface with Samsung DeX, but I'm gonna save that for another video. So that pretty much sums up everything that I need. Overall, I love the experience. For someone who needs to juggle a lot of tasks and wants the flexibility to work wherever, I found it to be versatile without compromising power. So, to answer the big question, can I replace my laptop with the Tab S10 Plus? Absolutely. Yes, I can.